Vorlux Home Theater Seating, a different company, a new brand to most people, reached out to me and said, hey Kevis, we would love for you to review our home theater seat, the Tarantino home theater seat. Me still being a pretty small channel and the opportunity to review different products and be able to provide you with different takes on products, I said yes. So here we are. I'm gonna start off with by just talking in general. The product itself came to me on a pallet, very well wrapped, very well chipped. Unwrapping the box, cutting the box up, aligning the box really wasn't hard. It takes two people to get this done. Again, I'm very hard-headed and I tend to do things myself. Just be very careful if you're doing this by yourself. It's a very heavy chair, heavy box when you're working with this. But opening the box, putting everything together was pretty much a breeze, and I'm going to show you guys here sort of an overlay of me opening the box, getting everything unwrapped and putting the chair together. And I want to start off just a little bit on background on who this company is and share with you a little bit of information about them. So Vorlux has been involved in private home theater seating development for over the past 10 years. Before launching their very own brand, Vorlux, in the recent years, they focus primarily on design, engineering, and manufacturing of home theater seating for other companies and projects. So over time, they decided to introduce Vorlux as their own brand to bring their own design and philosophy and product standards to the customers directly. So here we are. This Tarantino seat uses premium Italian Santa Croce top grain leather, which is known for its durability, natural grain, character, and long-term performance. And guys, I can tell you that I've had seats with Italian leather in the past, and I've used them for over 5 years. The leather that these home theater seating companies use that comes from that area will last a long time. I don't and have not conditioned my leather here or my seats in the past. And again, they look extremely still pristine over 5 years for the other ones that I've used. I would expect the same thing from this particular seat. I'm gonna go ahead and spoil this and say this is a very comfortable chair. It works really well for home theater, to be able to sit down and watch a movie through its entirety. Even if you're watching Ben-Hur and it's 4 hours long, this is a chair you can sit on and be able to be comfortably relax and enjoy the movie. It's built really well. The stitching on it looks really good. I do like the white stitching over the black leather. There's something in the past in the chairs that I've had where I've had black stitching over black leather. The stitching kind of gets lost. You see a pattern, but this defines the pattern a little bit more. This particular chair has more of a radiating pattern design, which Vorlux told me that it was inspired by expanding light and stardust. This chair also comes with a power headrest, the power lumbar, and obviously a pretty good recline setting all the way through. But it allows you, if you wanted to come down in the theater, I said before in other videos, if you wanted to come here and rest, it's definitely a very comfortable chair to rest in. Be able to take a nap, be able to step away from all the other stuff in the world and life as a whole and come down here in your theater quietly, close your eyes, and get a good power nap. You know, the chairs, like I said before, are comfortable. They've got more of a feather blend cushioning system for the back and the seating. So you do have a little bit of a sinking sensation. It's still a firm chair for me. When I touch it, it's not as rough as maybe a hard grain leather texture you would expect. It's still pretty soft. It feels like a high quality leather. And like most chairs nowadays, it does have a USB and a USB-C charging port if you've got a phone, if you've got a remote control, universal remote controls now that come out with a USB-C charging or USB. This is a great little place to hook them up, be able to charge anything you need during a movie. Comes with a typical RGB lighting, 7 different colors. You'll find that in the cup holders and the bottom of the chair. Again, but it's one of those features that I don't personally care for, because if I'm watching a movie, I'm not gonna have any extra light spilling in my room. I'm already trying to get the best contrast I can out of my screen, and I'm not gonna allow anything else to kind of contaminate that picture quality that I'm trying to go after. Now that being said, if you're showing off your home theater, you got people coming in, turning on that setting, it's visually pleasing to the eye to see. That's pretty cool. But again, it's not anything you would see functionality wise if you're here trying to sit and watch a movie. If you're here taking a nap, maybe you can get a nice ambient color, sit down, turn it on, relax, and maybe that works a little bit better that way. It does have the typical practical storage in this case on both armrest. If you want to put your extra remote controls, it's practical, pretty standard that you've seen throughout and others, but it's there and it works. Also, this chair comes with a free gift, a table tray. Pretty nice little pattern on here. It works really well if you got your popcorn that you want to put on here. Now, note that if you are putting this on your chair, you're losing the cup holder on one side of the chair. Now, this is a single chair. So I do have obviously the two armrests and two cup holders so that I can use one on my left and then be able to have the table on my right and be able to put my candy or whatever I want to put in here. Another thing that Vorlux is doing, again, they sent these out to me. They're not paying me for this review. They are letting me keep this chair. With that being said, I do believe this is a great chair to have, to own. You can compare it with other chairs in the market. I think that with more competition comes better pricing for us, the consumer. The cool thing about this is that they're allowing me to offer a 10% discount to you guys. So if you go down the link below, you can click on it, check out the seat, check out their website, check out their other seats that they have. So I do recommend these chairs. I think they're very well done. I think you guys would enjoy them. The company's been extremely communicative with me, very prompt if I ask any questions. So I would expect for them to also offer that to their audience as well. When you're out there shopping, if you have any questions, reach out to them. And hopefully, again, I've introduced you to another company, I've introduced you to another product, and you guys can decide for there what you like to do. So I thank you guys for watching this video. I look forward to doing other home theater related content. If you guys like movies, if you like home theater gear, anything about home theater related stuff, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You like this video, comment down below. I'd love to know what you're using in your theater. Again, if it's something that you can share with the community. If you have any questions about the chairs, just drop it down below and I look forward to answering your questions. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys on the next video.